one of the things that I feel is not being done enough today, there's a lot being done to commemorate and remember the millions. But what is not done enough is we don't remember their culture, their literature, their language, their life. And in this book, my father actually did his part to commemorating, to remembering their life. And I would very much like to see Jewish institutions also include Yiddish, also in the United States and also in Israel, because this is actually what was lost. Their world was lost, not just their lives.